doesn't make sense to halfway do it. You need to be a detail freak. You have to completely have dedication to pulling every nut and bolt apart. The end product speaks for itself. When I started dealing with Rockford on this build, they let me have almost free reign. Essentially, Rockford only had one parameter, and that was to use all the new system. It's kind of like when you give an artist free reign, you end up getting a better product. Within my mind, I wanted to blend a bunch of aspects, whether it's an urban bike, a performance bike, or a standard stereoed out bagger. And it kind of all came together in the three phases of that. You're on this journey of putting this bike together. It's definitely not Lego. Some of the aftermarket parts are, I wouldn't say difficult to put on, but you have to do your due diligence to make sure that the parts work in a cohesive way. And I mean, that's kind of one of the V-Twin Visionary specialties. All in all, honestly, the Rockford Fosgate system was one of the easier things to install on this bike. I think what I would want people to remember this bike by is audio performance bagger. And those two things have kind of never been smushed together before, but this bike fills all those boxes. I have a feeling it's going to be a whole new genre.